Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to do the new exercise, that is 9.5, and with the very first question, that is use suitable identity for each. In this exercise we are going to use three types of identities, that is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a plus b and a minus b, which is equals to a square minus b square. So these are the three identities which we are going to use today in this exercise. So first of all, what is a plus b whole square? So a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So these are the three identities which we utilize to solve the sums. So first we will move towards the first question, that is x plus 3 and x plus 3. As you can see, both the brackets are same. So what we have to do, we have to write x plus 3 as whole square, and it will be equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, because a plus b whole square. So this first term will be x will be a and the second term will be b. So a equals to x and b equals to 3. Now what we have to do, we have to write x square plus 3 square plus 2 into x into 3, and what we will get, we get x square plus 9 plus 2 3s are 6x. This is our required answer. Similarly, when we see the sum, that is 2a minus 7 and 2a minus 7, so this is the condition of negative, that is a minus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here the a is 2a and b is 7. There is no need to take the sign of the which is present inside the bracket, because we are already taking the sign in the formula. So a square, that is 2a square plus b square means 7 whole square minus 2a, that is 2a multiplied by 7. What we will get? We will get 4a square plus 49 minus 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28a. So this is our answer. So these are the two sums of the first part. The remaining you have to do as homework. Now we move towards the second problem. In the second problem, in the question we have given the formula. So that is x plus a and x plus b equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. We have to use this formula only for this question. So this is x, this is a, and this is b. What we have to do, we have to just write the formula again and put the values. X is x plus what is a, that is 3 plus 7, x plus 3 into 7. Since there is no sign in between a and b, that will be of multiplication. So x square plus 10x, 7 plus 3 10 into x 10x plus 7 3s are 21. This is our answer. It is a very simple question. You have to just take the values from the problem and put them into the formula given. That's it. And you have to do plus or multiplication. Remaining sums of this are also very easy, that you have to complete in your notebook as your homework. Now third question, first part, we have to use the identity. And what is the identity? How you will identify that which identity we have to use? As you can see, it is b minus 7 whole square. That means a minus b whole square. We are using the a minus b whole square formula. If it is plus, then we will use a plus b whole square. That means a square plus b square plus 2a. But the problem is of negative sign, so we will use a minus b whole square equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So what is the value of a? Here the a is b and b is 7. So a square b square plus 7 whole square minus 2 into b into 7, which is equals to b square plus 7 7s are 49, 2 7s are 14b. This is our required answer for the problem. Just in third question, you have to apply the formula that I have told you, the three formulas in the beginning of the video, that is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. And always you will see this will be the a, this will be the a, and this will be the b term. Now next question is a combined problem of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So this we have to use both the formulas simultaneously, that is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2a and b, make a big bracket because there is a negative sign, minus again bracket a square plus b square minus 2a and b. In the first bracket we have used a plus b whole square. In the second bracket we have used a minus b whole square. Now open the brackets, that is 4x square plus 25 plus 2 to the 4 5 the 20x, close small bracket, then minus 4x square plus 25 minus 20x. So there are two brackets. After solving and using the formula, we have obtained the two brackets, but there is a negative sign. So what we have to do, before opening the bracket, we have to change the sign due to this minus. So 4x square plus 25 plus 20x minus 4x square minus 25 plus 20x. Now as you can see, there is a plus 4x square and minus 4x square, this will cancel out. Plus 25 and minus 25 cancel out. And we have plus 20x and plus 28 will be added up and become 40x. This is our required answer. Remaining sums you have to do as similar to this sum also, and all the four questions are your homework. Just complete them by using the three formulas as I have told you in the earlier or beginning of the video. Thanks and have a nice day.